Alright, so I've told you guys that it snows like crazy here in Minnesota. We have a 2-day storm coming, and like we're on the front edge of it. It's supposed to happen till like Christmas, like the end of Christmas. So check this shit out. This is what our parking lot looks like right now. I mean, there's no sidewalk. There's an indentation of a sidewalk. And that right there is my car. And it's only been parked for like a few hours, and it's already got that much snow on it. So you can see the snow. And this is small stuff here. I mean, this isn't even as bad as it's gotten in the past. I mean, if you look down here, this is just the. That's how far my hand goes down in it, and this is just the steps. It's fucking cold too. Just freaking crazy. And this is supposed to go on for 3 days. I mean, the parking lot's already covered. That's some serious freaking snow. I'm going back inside.